Hey guys, welcome again. Uh, Last week I made a video on this particular page and I think gold and all that. So I quickly want to talk about this again. This is 1 week time frame. We clearly can see that this Bitcoin is in an upward trend because we have this break of structure right here, and price has broken another structure right here, and which signals clearly that this is an upward trend. That is, the market is still going extremely high. So I said something that day that in my previous video that the distance between this curve will be the outcome result. That was what I said. Which I'm still expecting price, to come to excuse me, which I'm still expecting price to come to somewhere around here. That is to come Bitcoin to come to 300. I know you'll be wondering that's not possible, right? Yes, that's how people say it's not possible. It's not possible. Remember when Bitcoin was at this all-time high, 19,975. That was back 2017 when the price was pulling back. When the price was pulling back, it came down here to 3,289 as at December 2018. If anybody tells you that time that, oh, this market is going to do, uh, excuse me, that this market is going to give us the distance between this curve, you'll be you'll be like, no, it's not going to do it. If anybody tells you when the price was at this particular 3,000, that price is going back to 19,000 and above, price is going to 50,000, 60,000, you say no, it's not going to be possible. You'll be like, it's not possible. Imagine from 3,000, it's more than times three. Price is currently more than times, I mean, 30 of the price as at that period, 2018. So anything in the market, anything is possible. We are currently at, I mean, in an upward trend. So this is my lookout. Okay. Now, or again, uh, if you take it from the low of the curve, you will be expecting, I will be expecting rather, price to come to this maybe 213. Yeah, 213. So now this is what we have currently. So let me take out this break of structure. Let me show you something that I can see again. When this market took out this high, this is we can clearly see is ascending triangle right here. This is an ascending triangle, and ascending triangle signals an upward movement. When you have price breaking above, and the in an ascending triangle, if you have price breaking the resistance level, it means the market is going higher. And so we have seen this on weekly time frame. Let's quickly go into 4 hours time frame and see what is right there. So this is 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, uh, we clearly can see a continuation of bullish movement on 4 hours time frame. Starting from here, we have this break of structure. Our price pullback after the break of structure to the discount level, to this POI, and then we have another break of structure. So right now, price is currently giving us something sort of a symmetrical triangle. A symmetrical triangle in an upward trend can be as a result of reversal or continuation. Symmetrical triangle rather can be a reversal or a continuation pattern. So which means price can break either way. If price break below this level, it can continue coming down, and if the price break above this level, it's so that means you have to wait for price to break either of the ways, the direction. So for you to now have the full confidence that this thing is going to break to the main direction, which is the main direction is clearly we can see we are in an upward trend, right? So in this symmetrical triangle, we can clearly see that we have this high was broken. We have a break of structure right here, and this was the low that gave birth to its swing low. So if and this is a swing high. So until you have this swing low taken, if this swing low is taken, then you can wait. For instance, if price break below this symmetrical triangle, and then once this low is taken, wait for price to pull back inside, then continuation to the downside, then you can go back and take a look at where you're expecting price to get to for making a reverse back to the upside, because we are strictly in a bullish trend. Okay, so you then go and spot out where you are expecting price to get to before moving higher. Do you get my point? So like all these areas I'm picking out, and so on and so forth. And also, if that happens, you can take your Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high, that is the to measure the yeah, and you pick your entry from either the 50%, the 61%, or 71%, the discount zone. If you look at these areas, there are things to see in this area. If you look at those 50%, 61%, it has something interesting in each of the areas. This one, we have fair value gap inside here, we have other block below it, we have this other block also above the fair value gap, we have this demand zone here, we have this other block here, and so on and so forth. So we have all those good things in those areas where price can get to and make a reverse to the upside. So if that happens, good, then you will know that if you want to jump or if you want to buy Bitcoin more, you have to wait for it to come down here, or right here. So that's that about that. If you now take more look at this, now let's wait on here. There's this anytime you have in an upward trend, price break the structure to the upside, signals that the market is going higher. I told you you'll be expecting price to come to either your order block or your discount zone, then it will give you another high. So right now, price left this low, give us this high, pull back, break the structure. So this particular low will not be recognized as low. This is a swing low now, because this was the low that led to a break of structure. Let's see that in 2 hours time frame real quick. So this was the low that gave birth to this high. However, uh, we can choose between this low and this low. So I'll say this is my swing low on 2 hours. The reason is because when this price was going up, it doesn't close above this high with a full body candle. It closes, it's weak, took out liquidity above this high, and the price closed inside this range. So this will still be a low, a swing low that gave birth to this high. So this is a swing low, this is the swing high. So immediately the price was coming back, it came back to the other block right here, this other block. And if you take your Fibonacci retracement to check, you can clearly see that the price came to a discount zone. This is 70%, 60%, 50%. It came inside that discount zone. And more to it, you can see the price took out liquidity below this low, took out liquidity there to respect that other block. So this is what we have. And anytime the market take out a liquidity to respect another block, it is a sign and a signal that the market is going higher. So if you take a look at this particular area, we can clearly see, let's take this out, see what happened here. We have high, low, lower, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. Let me use this to point out. This high, low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. Price failed to give us another lower low, and it gave us a high that is higher than lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, and then lower high. So this is what we have currently on this particular view. So if you're following, then you will understand what I'm talking about. To make it more clear, I don't mean to make this video so long, but to make it more clear, let's go back to 1 hour time frame. You will see that the market has shifted from going bearish back to bullish. We have this low, price break its structure to the downside, give us this high, break its structure to the downside, and the high that generated the low has been taken, which means there's a change of character here. And price pull back to the other block that gave us the change of character. This is the other block. Price push back to the other block that gave us this change of character, and it pushed to the upside. Then we have this break of structure. And anytime we have a break of structure, I hope you don't forget that the market will definitely retrace to your 70%, 61%, and 50% Fibonacci retracement, or came back to your order block. So there's one other block here. There's this wide order block right here. So anytime you have a wider order block, you can just go to your smaller time frame to check if there is something interesting, if there is a lower order block in your smaller time frame, like 15 minutes. Let's check out 15 minutes and see what we have there. These are 15 minutes. So in our 15 minutes, we have this demand area, and then this is the lowest order block, and there's a fair value gap inside here. So which means price can take out liquidity below this low to respect this area before going higher. That is possible. But above all, we already have a break of structure, and taking a Fibonacci retracement, price is has pushed down to a 50 to 61%. The lowest point should be 78%. And if that happens, that is, if Bitcoin pushed down to around 88,656, then there's possibility of price continuation to the upside, and your target will be taking out the all-time high, which is the highest high was 93,498. So you'll be expecting price to take out that high and continue the movement. So that's that about the video, this analysis rather. If you like the content, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.